Okay. Do I really want to end my YouTube career before it starts? Okay, let's go. Unpopular natural hair opinions. I'd like to imagine that we all have them. No? Okay. I don't really have much. I just decided to share the few that I do have. But first, in case you didn't know, I'm Nika.go, and I've been expecting you. Thanks for stopping by. Come on in. Come on. Come in. Have a seat. And while you're at it, feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell because this party is just getting one Fitbit says it's time to step. Hold up. Alright. Okay, jumping right into my unpopular opinions. As much as I love seeing videos of people doing this, I am very much so tired of these baby hairs. These right here. They have just become way too trendy, and they don't even look like baby hairs sometimes. They look like when you get a haircut and you get a cool line design. I don't know. It just made me realize how much I like more natural looking baby hair. So I'll be happy when the community retires those baby hairs. Moving on. I am so over being a product junkie. Like, it was cool in the beginning of my natural hair journey because I was experimenting and trying to find out things that worked for me. But over time, that hits the pockets hard. So I have become a lot more minimalistic with my products. So I know it works for me, so I stick to that, and I wait until everything is completely out before I go buy new things. I do try new products, but again, I wait until the products that I have are finished. I don't keep piling products on top of products on top of products unless they're free. Companies out there. Okay, now we might be getting a little touchy on this one. I think a lot of the natural hair community, or the quote-unquote rules of the natural hair community, are taken way too serious. Like, I believe the natural hair police is real. I had a video of me brushing my hair while it was soaking wet with a Denman brush, and someone was like, "You can't do that, you'll pull your hair out." But if they had my hair on their head, they would know trying to detangle this hair while it's dry is a full-on battle between me and my hair, and I have to do the best that I can to weaken their defenses, and that means detangling while my hair is wet. And people don't realize, it's like, yeah, there's these basic rules so you know where to start, I guess, but it's all going to depend on your type of hair. Even if you have the same hair type as someone, there still might be some major differences in the way that you have to take care of your hair. And I feel like people take it too serious. Another way that I feel like the community may take it too serious is experimenting with like color or straightening your hair. It's like almost feels like it's taboo, and it's just like one of the main reasons I became natural. We're gonna have an honest moment. Initially, I became natural because I wanted to just grow my hair super long when it's straight, and I thought I was gonna be wearing my hair straight all the time, which is not the case because I ended up growing very long, thick hair that I barely want to do anything with, let alone straighten. Well, let alone straighten all the time. So I keep straightening to a minimum for that reason, because I'm lazy. Also, as you can see, my hair is color treated. I love experimenting with color. I had to learn some harsh lessons in the past with experimenting with color, but that's the whole beauty of a natural hair journey. You're just continuing to learn new things, and the things that I've learned from the mistakes that I've made in the past with color has led me to having healthy color treated hair. So I love being natural because it's all about versatility. So there's no need to be afraid to try new things, because because we know what to do to take care of it. We know what to do to combat damage. And some of the damage is inevitable anyways. So just have fun with it. It's your crown, queens. So I know I just said I'm too lazy to do this, but I feel to say what I'm about to say is also very taboo, but I actually really like straightening my hair. Not just straightening my hair, I like straightening my hair for special occasions. And I feel like that's taken out of context as to say that my natural hair isn't worthy enough for a special occasion. But really, like, when I think of straightening my hair for a special occasion, it's just to simply try something new. Like, my hair is always curly 24/7. So for special occasions, whether it be like somebody's wedding or like a fancy party or something, it's the perfect opportunity to try something new. And a lot of those new things you could try with straight hair. So that's why I really like to straighten my hair on special occasions. Sorry, not sorry. I love straight hair. So my last and final unpopular opinion, and I really mean this in the best way. I don't want this to be taken wrong in any way, but if you don't see a certain hair type, and this is why I'm not the biggest fan of hair types, if you don't see a certain hair type represented in the media or social media, it's time to be the representation that you want to see. If you can say out of your breath, or you have the time to comment, I need to see more representation of this hair, then you also can take the time to create your own page highlighting that hair type that you want to see more of. I think that is a solution to the problem. I'm all about finding solutions opposed to just carrying on with the problem over and over and over and over. Address it, find a solution, and take steps forward. We are in a generation where content is king, and we have the freedom to create the content that we want to see. So if you're not seeing what you want to see, create it. Simple as that. So that's it, y'all. That's all I got. I will be very interested to see what y'all might have to say in response to some of my unpopular opinions. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, and stay poppin'.